Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to a brand new video. I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. If you're new here, I'm Amanda, and today guys I have an Aldi essentials haul for you. So I popped into Aldi to do my grocery shop for the week, and a few of these items from the special aisle or from the Best Buys fell into my basket and I will class them as essentials. You'll see in a minute. I've got some Wellbeing items, I've got some spa items, and I've also got some household cleaning products as well to show you in this haul today. So I'm going to get straight into it, okay guys? So the first item I picked up is this Lacura Luxury Bath Float. So guys, I haven't actually used this before, but I've heard some very good reviews and seen some good reviews about this product. This is the Lacura Spa Luxury Bath Float. It's got vitamin E in it, honeysuckle extracts, and it's also got apricot oil in there as well. Now I think this is supposed to be a dupe of a product. I think it's the Sanctuary products that this is a dupe of. It smells absolutely gorgeous and I really can't wait to use it. I've been having like lots of baths recently and less showers. You know, I would say I have a bath like every other day and then a shower every other day, like that. You know, I find that the baths, of course, a bath is really relaxing and very soothing and very good for, like, you know, just clearing your head, mental health and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, so I got that, and that was £1.99 in Aldi. It's quite a large bottle. It's 500 ml and it's also cruelty free. So I also picked up in the middle aisle, they had these Wellbeing cards. So this one is 100 ways to switch off digital detox. Then I also picked up this set, which is 100 poses to master yoga. Okay, and then I also picked up these, and this is a mindfulness wooden dice set. Okay, so I'm going to show you each of them individually. So this set I've already opened, and this one is the 100 ways to switch off digital detox. So inside you've got 100 cards, and each card has got like a little note on there to help you sort of detox from digital devices and so on. So I'm just going to pick one out, you know, a random one out. And this one is screen-free activities, get lost in a book. Okay, so get lost in a book. So find a nice book and have a good read. That should help you to sort of get away from the tablet, the phone and so on. Another one is play card games with friends and family, you know. Another one is clear your mind, get outside and go for a walk in the rain. Okay, we haven't had much rain recently, so maybe when we do have some rain, I might just do that, just pop out, you know, and just walk in the rain, you know. So I really like these, and these were reduced from, I think, £3.99 down to £1.99. Okay, I just saw those randomly in the middle aisle, had to get those. So the other set that I got is 100 poses to master yoga. Now I've actually tried yoga about 3 or 4 years ago, and I did like it, but I couldn't really get into it. So I've been doing it at home. I tried to do it at the gym a few days ago, and I did actually enjoy it at the gym. I think because I was doing it in a group and I was like getting more motivation from it, you know. But these cards are 100 poses. What is it? What does it say? 100 poses to master yoga. So again, I'm just going to pull one out and see what it says. So it says do a spine twist. And it gives you a little diagram of how you can do it on the card there as well. So I've just got these anyway. I thought they were quite fun, and they were reduced as well from the £3.49 down to the £1.99. Okay, so I've got those. And then the other item that I've showed you just now is the mindfulness wooden dice. Okay, so in the box you get 4 dice, and they've got different symbols on them. So you just roll the dice, and if it falls on the book symbol, pick up a book, have a good read. If it falls on the bath, you know, take a nice soak in the bath. And if it falls in the sun, you know, take a nice walk outside, you know, get some fresh air. And if it falls on the water one, drink more water. Those are really good as well, and those were also £1.99. Okay, so the next item that I picked up is some just a few cleaning products, or cleaning essentials. So Aldi have this Comfort Pure conditioner, fabric conditioner. This is the 1.16 litre one. This came in at £2, and I think this is the cheapest that I've seen this. I thought £2 was quite good for this, and you get 33 washes out of this bottle. Okay, so next up from Aldi, I was so happy to see this product, which is a floor cleaner by Astonish. Now, I actually tried this about 2 years ago when Astonish first, I think they just launched it. I originally picked it up in one of the budget stores and then I couldn't find it anywhere, you know, so I was so happy to find this in Aldi. So this is an Astonish product. It's their floor cleaner and it's in the scent Lavender Blossom, and it smells absolutely gorgeous. It leaves your floors really nice and clean and fresh. I absolutely love the scent. The scent is what actually draws me to buy these products, you know, because obviously you don't know if it's going to work until you actually try it. So when you smell it, it's like you smell it and you think, yeah, that's a nice smell, let me try it, you know. But it's really lovely smell. Now, if you're not a fan of lavender, I can tell you this is not really a lavender scented product. Even though it says Lavender Blossom, it's more like a blossomy, spring fresh kind of scent, which I just absolutely love. Now, I don't know if you know, but all Astonish products are vegan and also cruelty free, and they go a long way. Now, this is a whopping, I think it's a 1 litre bottle, and this came in at £1.99. okay, so I'm so happy to get this. I actually picked up 3 bottles of it. That's how much I love it so much. So yeah, I got 3 bottles of this in Aldi. So the next item are these soda waters. These soda waters are infused with wonky limes and garden mint. Okay, 0 calories. So I like a little sparkly drink every now and again, you know, especially now that I've started the gym. I don't really like to drink anything like you know, like the usual fizzy drinks, you know, but this is 0% calories, so I can kind of get away with it. And I actually got one of these a couple of weeks ago in Aldi, and I've got to tell you that this is so refreshing. It's so refreshing. I'm just going to open one of these now because I'm a little bit dry and I'm talking to you guys. I'm just going to open one now and just have a little sip. Oh my goodness, it's so lovely. The flavours come through. The limes and the garden mint really come through. So refreshing. So this whole case, you get a case of 6 of these cans, okay? And I think it was £1.99 or £1.49 for the 6. I can't remember. The receipt somewhere downstairs with the rest of the grocery shopping, which I'm going to do another haul in the week for I've got a huge Aldi healthy food grocery shop, so that's going to be coming up onto the channel this week. But these are really refreshing, guys. Soda water, it just says 0 calories, doesn't actually say who these are actually made by, but I think it might just be an Aldi brand itself, you know. Each can is 200ml, and yeah, really refreshing. So the last item that I picked up in the middle aisle are these pillows. So you get a set of 2 pillows, slumber down pillows, better sleep for every body. 2 pillows, medium support back sleeper. Now, we're in need of some new pillows, okay? Every so often I will change the pillows. I like my pillows to be really pumped up, and hubby likes his pillows to be like more flat. So I'll find that I'm having to like change my pillow quite often because I do like a pumped up pillow, like a nice plumped pillow. So yes, I've got these 2. I do like the brand Slumber Down, so I got those 2, and those 2 were £8.99. So guys, that's my Aldi middle aisle essential haul. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Do give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.